Hello everyone, today we have a brand new product, introducing the new high-quality wires. This is an acoustic cable. What do all of these wires have in common? They are essentially cast monocore, flattened in shape and geometry, high-purity silver. Right now, this is incredibly difficult. There is practically no corporation in the entire world that, for everyday purposes, produces such an extremely high purity of material for manufacturing, let's say, household devices, even audiophile grade, even extremely ultra-high-end class. It's a truly unreal thing. This is simply a benchmark and a masterpiece of the manufacturer's craftsmanship. If you think that the manufacturer, let's say Valve Cable, sells 999 silver, you are wildly mistaken. Believe me, it's really just an ordinary bimetallic copper alloy with some kind of filler, indeed which is mostly covered with silver grades 3, 4, 5, 10 nines, but the meaning is completely different here. In reality, the effect is superconductivity. Naturally, all the wires have a corrective balanced restorating system using galvanic transformers, ensuring optimal performance, reliability, and efficiency. That is, there is almost no signal loss, which is fundamentally speaking expressed in the increased voltage level. Indeed, what basically characterizes a balanced conductor? The balanced conductor essentially locks the useful part of the signal within the interior of the conductor, effectively preventing the signal from actually escaping the conductor. Why does this happen? The fact is, in reality, this is fundamentally an entire conductor which is a coil. That is essentially the core of the coil, which is wound with the golden ratio. If we take an automatic transformer, such as an auto transformer, it has a single winding. Accordingly, the galvanic transformers used here have two windings with an electromagnetic field, precisely situated between them. There is no electromagnetic field of contact. The electromagnetic field penetrates the signal, saturates secondary winding, and the initial voltage value appears on it. In other words, what comes in is what goes out. The resistance is practically zero.